Hello traders, welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas by my system Black Widow. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk which is not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand risks before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And Black Widow in action, guys. Today it's very slow, and it's normal because first of all we actually have a bank holiday. It's a Labor Day in the US and Canada, and because of that, guys, it's very hard to make any trades as the market is not moving. My Black Widow system is based on pullbacks, guys. So if I want to take a trade, I want to see first the trading zone. There are three main components within the Black Widow method. This is the trading zone, reversal indicator, and trend indicator. We don't need more than that. So far, since the inception of the Black Widow, we have had the perfect accuracy. Last 3 weeks, we had 24 wins and only 3 losses. Depending, guys, on the risk portfolio, you can, of course, have huge profits or controlled profits with extremely low risk and the drawdown. This is what I do, and actually, every trade that I take, it's recorded there in the spreadsheet here and in the here and on my FX book live account, fully verified. Here, those are ECS live signals. You can see very nice profits. However, I have taken some of the trades with low risk, whatever. But the thing is that every trade that I take, I send signal in my trading room. I do it, of course, with the same entry zone, stop loss, and trade management. All of the trades can only be also be fully seen here within the members area of on the live sheet. And every trade that I make here, guys, I open actually and I write it here. You can see from the inception of the Black Widow, the real Black Widow method. This is the 3 weeks so far. We had only 3 losses, and this is something that I'm very proud of. So at this point, we have only one trade which I left maybe a little bit discretionary, GBP dollar long, actually from this point here. But you can see that I was expecting one more 4-hour trend to go up. It didn't. So this is maybe early trade, but I expect that GBP dollar is going to go up. In the euro dollar, the market is totally flat. You see, it's not close to any trading zone, so there are no opportunities. The only opportunities that I noticed today, there could be valid tomorrow, is the Australian dollar CAD, which might be maybe activated during the Tokyo session or later Asia Pacific, when Asia Pacific markets open. So the trade might get here, the market might get there, and in between 25, 60 and 70 we might be having some short positions. And also what I noticed is a possible trade in the DAX index by the Black Widow. Market is generally bearish, which you can see by the Black Widow daily trend. These lines are daily trend. So what I want to see is the spider or the reversal indicator, which will print the spider. And then from this spot, if I see this, I'm just waiting for the cross of this, how can I say, of this indicator, which is actually, there are 3-4 different indicators coded into this one. This is why I call it algo based. So when I see that red is crossing above the blue here, okay, then I will have the real signal on the DAX. However, because market is very slow and the US session is going to be totally without volatility, I don't think that I will trade. So the only trade that I have is the GBP dollar long. Stop losses should be placed below this level, and final target in between 32.05, 32.50, let's say 32.30. Let's see if these trades will make something, but as I say, it's extremely slow. I don't expect big volatility. I've been scanning through all the markets, and what I see is the range. Even on my indicators, you see how markets is ranging. Black Widow is able to trade ranges. It's also able to trade trending markets. So for Black Widow, we don't care if the markets are ranging or trending. But what we do care is that markets are in the zone. So market needs to be in the zone. It means that if you want to go short or long, you need to have first the trading zone hit. So for short, this is the trading zone. For long, this is the trading zone, depending also on ranging or trending indicators here. And this is where we then decide to enter long or short. However, as you can see, the only trade which was in the zone, the only market was the GBP dollar. So this is why I have the GBP dollar trade. But anyway, guys, tomorrow it will be more clear. If you want to have a full trade management, guys, of course, when I say full trade management, I think about the signal like buy here, sell there, and with all accompanying info as the risk taken, where to exit, where to scale out. You need to subscribe to our ECS Live, okay? On our website, you are able to subscribe to ECS Live service, and of course, there you will be able to see how I trade, how you do it, how we do it, and of course, you will have everything as clear because I'm trading also that on my account. I hope, guys, that you enjoyed. I will be very soon showing publicly, but I think it's also shown there. My account here, it should be public. Okay, so here is the link, guys. If you want to follow it also here, I will now paste the link. So follow my FX book ECS live signals also here within this link. I hope that you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow. See you soon, guys. Cheers and trade safe.